Okay, so the next one, remember these are second chance boats. This is the second time of designing and printing. Because these students were done with their wood projects. 2, 3,
Let's go at you.
4, 5. Oh, it held 4 successfully. Okay, let's see what happens here.
Let's go, person I don't know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It held 7. 6. All right, this one is essentially a surfboard. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it holds 2 without tipping over. See what we got. All right, this one had a struggle. The base was too small, so it holds 1, holds 2, holds 3. It's defeated some already. Holds 4. Oh, it held even though it was a failed print.